Hello everyone, my name is Pradeep. Today I am going to explain our car pricing prediction project where we use linear regression to predict the selling price of used cars. In first cell, we import all the required libraries. Pandas is used for handling the dataset. Numpy is used for numerical operations. Metapolit is used for plotting graphs, and sketchlearn tool is for using splitting data, scaling features, and build the model and evaluate it. In second cell, here we load our dataset named car data.cv. Then we display the first five rows using df.head. So in third cell, next we check detail information about each column using df.info and df.describe. Given us statistical information like mean and standard deviation. Then we check the missing value of df.null.sum in dataset. In fourth cell, now we create a new feature called age of cars 2020. Then we remove the year and car name column because they are not useful for our model. After the convert catalog column into numerical value using fun hot encoding with get dummies. This preparation is for machine learning. In next cell, here we selling price of our target variable. Everything else becomes our input feature x. So x contains the independent variable and y contains the value we want to predict. And in next shell, we split the dataset into training and testing parts. 80% of data is used for training the model and 20% used for testing. We use a random state to ensure the result is repeatable. And in next cell, since the different feature that have different ranges, we apply standard scaler to normalize the values. Scaling help the model learn better and prevent larger number of domains and smaller numbers. And in next cell, now we create a linear regression model and train it using the scale training data, and the model now learn the relationship between the input features and the selling price. Now in next cell, we use the trained model to predict the selling price of the test data. Then we calculate MAE, MSE, RSE and R square score. This matrix tell us how accurate our model is. R square score is especially important. Higher value mean better performance. This scatter plot compare the actual price with the predicted price. If the points are close to the diagonal line, it means the prediction is accurate. And in the final output, the model is created successfully using linear regression along with scale features.